Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, if you are new to this channel, guys, make sure you do want to click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video, share, make your comments, and also guys, follow our Telegram channel guys, so you would not miss out on any updates will be given to you guys. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section. So guys, once again, click on that subscribe button if you are yet to subscribe. Now let's see what we will be anticipating next on our GBPUSD for the day. First, let's start with our previous trend. Then we will now look at our main trend right now, which is our current trend. So this was the previous trend, what market was doing previously. This was previous movements here. Market was dropping, it was giving a series of lower low and a lower high. A series of lower low and lower high, right? Now market has now changed its trend and we are now having a series of higher high and an higher low. We can see that market has now changed its trend from a downtrend to now an uptrend move. Now, with this movement right here, so we add this high, here comes the higher low, markets pushed up again and gave higher high, here comes the higher low, market pushed up again and gave an higher high, here comes the higher low, markets eventually pushed up again and gave an higher high, so market has done what? An higher low here. You can clearly see that this is an higher low. So our next movement on GBPUSD is another bullish move that will be giving us an higher high. So basically this bullish move will be meant for swing traders also and position traders. So if you are a type of trader that tends to hold your position for a long period, this will be the best and the perfect opportunity for you to hop in on the buy. Now, if you are a day trader, right, you would want to go to your forward time frame and look for some key levels where markets will likely take the buy from, and this is the key level. So with what we are seeing here, market is now ready for a buy. So a buy is most likely play out from here. So basically for swing traders, be ready for a buy. For position traders, be ready for the buy. And now for day traders, you should also be ready for your buy. So a buy next is what we are now expecting on our GBP USD. So we should be expecting GBP USD to give us a bullish move here, thereby giving us a buy movement. Now, if there will be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So all you just have to do is click on that subscribe button, like this video, share, and also make your comments so you don't miss out on next update I'll be giving to you guys.